got this going. I have not a lot of time at all right now. Um, my computer is on 13%, so I'm gonna challenge myself to build the basic baseline things that I need for me to be able to publicly start getting signups for my collapse time with Claude thing, my free class I'm having in 2 weeks in here. You guys are not ready. Okay. First things first, let me share my screen. Okay, share an entire window. Oop, 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 oop. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna go into ManyChat. I wanna make sure you guys can see this. It does say you're sharing your screen, so I'm gonna assume you can. I'm gonna go into ManyChat, and then I'm gonna go into, I've been updating some things in here, so let's go into Serial Society. Maybe I updated this one already. No. Definitely this one. And definitely that one. Okay. You see all the triggers. Loving these click-through rates. 100%. Say less. Okay. I'm going to duplicate the Instagram one and my Facebook one. Duplicate. And then I'm going to add a folder in here called Last Time Pod. I'm going to go back in here, grab those two, move them over. So essentially what I'm trying to get done right now is my triggers for this class. So I do have this as a template, by the way. If you go into desk sessions and it's in the first class that's about ManyChat, where I kind of built a lot of this, I do have templates with guides in them. So you can grab them if you want. You can do this exact same thing as me. First, I'm going to change the trigger word. I probably could just do Claude. Let's just make it easy. Claude, a lot of people say to do things for misspellings, but at this point, I really only like to do that if a phone isn't going to autocorrect or if it's going to autocorrect into something else. Okay. So Claude it is, and because we're organized people, we're going to update this top part too, so we can see the title clearly. It's not case sensitive, remember that. So turn that one on. This one's kind of interesting when you're doing it. So I'm going to do it on all poster reels like how I always do. And then quad, continue. We see this. See this reclass, trigger GMs. Okay, this one doesn't really make sense. These are the responses that go in. This one doesn't really make sense for this. Let's go. I'll see you in there soon. Done. Let me know if you got a registration email. Can't wait to see ya. Message request and done. Need to add your message requests if you don't follow me already. I've already had a lot more completions just from putting this on my responses. Perfect, just sent. Let's go. See you there soon. Okay, I got you down. Oh, my phone just, or my computer just hit 10%. All right, we're really on crunch time now. Okay, I got you down. You should get in a second. Okay. DM in a second. Okay, done and done. Save. Gonna change the title of this because again, we're organized people, and everything we do correctly now, we don't have to do again later. We don't have to untangle it all later. Keep editing. Okay. So now we see like how it says like store reply, Claude, comment, Claude. Instagram ad, that'll be something I do in Meta. Okay, turn this one on as well. Dagnabbit. Okay, save. Let me make sure when I turned those other ones on, it didn't change the words. Cool. And then this one will be turned on as well, but I'm going to change the messages first. Okay, hey, breaking down. I'm going to come back to this in a second because first I need to make sure I have the forms in Kit, which is uh, it's going to be a Serial Society live class. Nobody ever sees this, so that's why it's kind of blank and boring. It's just for my own thing, and I'm not going to redirect them to this page. But I do want to redirect them somewhere. Okay, this is show it. Let me do, I need to add my photos back in because they all got, when I deleted all my photos and show it, so many of them got, today not in your calendar. This is what I did for my other one, but I don't know if I want to do that for this one because I don't love putting like a confirmation page on every single thing. But I need it for tracking. So maybe we go into Kajabi. Oh, my neck. Okay. Sometimes I like to use Kajabi just like randomly. I don't have anything really hooked up to this right now. This is for my ads, but I need the thank you page. So thank you. I'm gonna just copy the resource thank you page for now and make it the other confirmation page. Okay, you'll get an email any moment. All right, I'm gonna just say. So I had an issue with my tracking recently, and so I'm having to like rework. Basically, it's not an issue. It's not like a big, huge problem. It's just that I'm having to rework how some of my things are connected, and I need to be able to finish the story on some of the data that I'm gathering. You're all signed up. Can't wait. Can't wait to see you. I could also add it as an event in Calendly, or not Calendly, in Kajabi. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna not be a perfectionist today. Don't have time to be a perfectionist. See, I will go completely all out every single time. Image. Ah. I will go all out every time if it means that I can Ooh, can I put a GIF in here? That'd be great. Yeah. Save. Please work as a GIF. Nice, nice. Okay. I don't, if you use Kajabi, I don't want this to be like side by side. So I'm just going to make this one go all the way across. It'll center itself. Boom, boom, boom. And there's the this. I can make it smaller too. Maybe this should go on the top though. You're all signed up. Nah. Nah, nah, nah. I think it belongs that way. You're all signed up for. Nope, no perfectionism. No perfectionism today. We're going to change the name of this page. Aw, man. My logo is supposed to be at the top. Come on. Wrong. Okay. Save. Save, save, save. What are we at percentage wise? 8%. Okay. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. I am going to go back to landing pages so I can change the name of this one. And it's just going to be like collapse time with Claude. I don't know. We'll see why. Come on, computer. Wi-Fi. Let's go. You're joking. It's fine. Totally fine. No pressure. No pressure at all. Not the time. Okay. So we don't want to work. Awesome. I think it's my Wi-Fi. That's just rude because I have 8% still. Okay, well, in case it's not my Wi-Fi and it's all Kajabi's fault, then I'm just gonna go in here. What was my thing I put yesterday in here for you guys? All right. I'm gonna go put this into my Morgan Michelle Claude, and I'm gonna say, here's also my ManyChat flow. That should be fine. I usually don't have to change any of the name ones, but honestly, I bet I could say. I'm just going to change that message to be this one. Send my way. Hey, beep. Um, retype the word you use. The reason this isn't here is because the reason this isn't here is because sometimes on ads it like glitches and doesn't show the button. Does it work for you? I'm gonna say tap, save my seat to see your new favorite class. Okay, condition. Beep, beep, beep. All right, done. Cool. So this basically says like, obviously the sign up situation, what are we at? 6%. Lovely. Email value. Okay, sweet. Okay, let me get you down so you can see a reminder. Now I'm thinking about how I needed that thing. This is why people get lost in funnels, because you see how I went over to Kajabi, got stuck, and then now I never came back to Kit. Let's go back into Kajabi somewhere. Kajabi, where are you? Okay. No, website, landing. My actual website's in Below Desk, but I like to use Kajabi for like ads landing pages. I needed to just change the name. On this, no, did it again. Why? My brain is worried because of my computer dying. Edit details. Thank you. Time quad live confirmation. Woohoo! You're in. Select an image to show in search results. Let's do it. I shall. It really is not going to show in search results, but I just honestly don't like seeing it being, I think I'm blocking the button here, but I don't like seeing it being like blank. Me personally. All right, so this is now the URL. So I'm going to come back here, copy the URL, drop it into the redirect. That's the URL. Kajabi, what are we doing here? What are we doing? Oh, wrong one. We saved that, didn't we? Please tell me. I don't think I hit save because my little screen was in the way. It's fine. Everything's fine. Collapse time. Do it right or do it twice. Registration. Information. Morgan, don't make stupid mistakes. We're on 5%. All good. All good. We're going to make it. I think we're going to make it. It's going to be pretty easy. Bingo. So now when somebody finishes this, save and publish. Okay, form has been published. I'm going to make sure this doesn't say copy of. All right, save and publish. Now I need an automation. Visual automations, Serial Society. I'm going to go back to the live class that's currently not active. It's a different live class. And the form that's going to trigger it is the one that I just did. And go back. Come on, works. I swear the second I get like the little teeniest bit of stressed or like pressure for time, I'm like useless. I swear. Okay, so when they fill that out, update event, they will get a tag that I have to create. Update action. I also need to get a sequence that I need to create. Create new sequence. Why is what's happening? Do you guys see this? Did it create? It sure did. Continue. Okay, and then I don't have all the reminders done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this action. Yes, delete. What are we on now? 4%. Okay. So sequence, form, tag. Amazing. I'm gonna set this active. Activate. And then I need to update this live class. Goodness gracious. Registered. All right. So now that that's good to go, now I have to actually go into the email sequences and find that one. Live. Here it is. Okay. I don't like how this email is. So what I'm going to do is tell Claude to clock in for me. Okay. I actually just was doing emails in here. Subject change. I need you to add an email about my class. Last time with Claude. Coming up on August 6th at 2 p.m. CST. Let me get my Serial Society post again. It's the info. And I'm going to come over here so that it will add, where's it at? It's technically part of Serial Society. So add this GIF and my videos to show it. Take that link. I'm going to say this is the link that this is the graphic that I'm using to promote the class. And then it doesn't know what it's going to look like, so I'm going to screenshot it and show it what it looks like because it doesn't look there for it. And I'm going to say, can you build the registration confirmation email sends immediately in this sequence. And then I need the sequence name. Let's watch her cook. Little sneak peek at what we're going to be talking about too, and how I'm going to show you guys what to do. What are we on now? 3%? Okay. I know what's available. Do I have a sequence ID? Yes, I do. I just got the notification. Your Mac is going 2%. Okay, Morgan, no panic. You're good. You got it. I'm going to turn my brightness down. It's building in. We're almost there. I think I should do like a thing on like how to build a sequence super fast or like a whole entire funnel super fast. Word is Claude. We have the form connected. ManyChat's ready to go. Not the Facebook one though. I have to do the Facebook one later. It's the same. I just have to switch out all the stuff I did. But at least the Instagram one's good to go. So I can be like, message me, Claude. You know? Come on, ManyChat, got 2%. ManyChat, my brain is like so fried on a Saturday. Do you want me to check what's already in sequence birds? No, I want you to make this email 0. I'm actually pressed now. Can you grab that from Kit real quick? Just delete that one. You're acting like you don't know emails. I don't know what it is. I really don't know. I don't know, Kit. Why are you being difficult right now? Is the question. Is it in here? No. I'm just gonna screenshot my whole thing and say, here, because I don't know what the thing is. There's a bug. Oh my gosh. Just, yeah, that's fine. I'll delete it. Trash. Okay, it's on. Go ahead. 2% still. Ah. My brightness is like all the way down right now. I can barely see anything. I feel like I need somebody to add music to this where it's like the stressed out music. For some reason, my brain was going da dum, da dum. That's Jaws, I think. Not overwhelmed rush energy. I've already put a lot of like I've already worked with Claude to figure out my just come to the class. Just come to the class. That's what I'm gonna talk about. It's in a position 0. Can I see it? Reload. Up my brightness. You registered. Blog message. This will be juicy. Yeah, Claude. You're registered. Just set up. Until then, I'll see you there. Yay! Okay, publish. Sounds like a plan. Cool. It's ready to go. We did it. Okay, I'm on 2%. I am gonna have to charge my computer before I fix the Facebook one, but for the most part, we're pretty much ready to go on everything. Like now people can sign up. I am actually, you know what, while we're here, and hopefully while I still have juice, I am going to go to my sequences and see what kind of sequences. I know it's not gonna let me. I'm trying to see how I can like do a pause. I'm at 1%. I can't do it right now. Okay. Not gonna be able to do a pause, but that's okay. I'm gonna have to do a separate sequence depending on your email platform. Sometimes, like I can do the pause in the automation, but since it's doing the sequence, it's a lot to explain. But yeah, okay, that was 1%, and we're ready to officially, hopefully, where am I at? We are good to go. Okay, bye.